All right, the last type of graph that we're going to look at in section 12.2 is a circle graph. A circle graph is also known as a pie chart. Right. And the nice thing about these, they're used to compare parts of one or more components to the whole. It shows a piece of the pie for each observed category. The size of the piece is proportional to the frequency of the category. Since a circle represents 100% of the data, the sum of the sectors should be 100%. Right. So what we have here at this particular example, 800 people who attended a Ringling Brothers and Barnum and Bailey circus were asked to indicate their favorite performance. The circle graph shows a percentage of respondents that answered tigers, elephants, acrobats, jugglers, and other. Determine the number of respondents for each category. So if we look at this graph, the first thing we want to do, again thinking about we want to make sure statistics aren't being misused, is that they add up to 100%. So if we do add up our respondents, 38%, 26%, 17%, 45%, and 5%, it does indeed add up to 100%. Right? So that is one good thing that we have here. It's a true representative graph. It doesn't add up to something else. The next thing that we're going to do is we're going to write our percents as decimals. So 38% is a decimal, 0.38. 26% is a decimal, 0.26, 17%, 0.17, 14%, 0.14, 5%, 0.05, 100%, right, 1.00. It adds up to a total of 1. Right, then we're going to calculate our number of people for each. And underneath here, remember, going all the way back to where we started at the beginning of the semester, we talked a little bit about our percent formula. Percent times whole equals part. That's exactly how we're going to calculate these. So we're going to take our 38% times our whole, which we were told there were 800 people, equals 304. 26% times 800 gives us 208. 17% times 800 gives us 136. 14% times 800 gives us 112. 5% times 800 gives us 40. And if we total this up, we do get our total of 800. So when you're working through the homework and looking at different things, you may be asked a couple of questions about our circle graphs or pie charts, or you may be asked to use your percent equation to calculate some different values that go along with the pie chart that you are given.